join is always difficult, and especially when you have a double F joined to an E. So let's see if we can study this together and make it simpler. The join from F to E is the most difficult to accomplish. It's a horizontal garland join to the E, and this being the only letter of the alphabet which doesn't start on the red line, the garland must drop down into the E. So we're going to loop up into the F, go back to the red line, and swing slightly across and down into the E. There have been other ways of doing it where you drop the crossbar a little lower and join into the E in that way. It's probably more legible if you lift your pen and drop the E in from the middle as a separate letter. In copperplate, this problem was got around by making a join in this way with a loop. This gives an anti-clockwise movement, an anti-clockwise loop at the bottom and then into the E. So if you're writing the word festive, you could see it written in copperplate like this. When joining to F, create a loop in the upper third of the grid. This can be achieved by increasing the separation between the letters. Long spacer, create an F, go back to the red line for the crossbar, make a garland, a loop in the upper third, and another garland to take you back to the red line. Taking the word fluffy, F, back to the red line, L, back to the red line, U, F, F, and the garland will take you back to the red line, Y, and the loop will take you all the way back to the red line. This is the most important thing, to space the letters as much as you can.